Hi everyone, welcome back to the 10th video of this series in designing the Arduino in Altium Develop, in Altium Designer Develop in collaboration with Altium Develop. So in this video we will be working and see how can we release the project and can send to the manufacturer. So the first step to do is to release the project as just like this. I have released this these two releases are over here, just to see you that how can we have these appear in the release option. So let's go back to the Altium Designer Develop software. Here you can see the at Mega U2, our USB to UART for Arduino Uno, just like an USB to UART, because it has TX and RX for our MCU at Mega 328B. So, but before releasing the project, you should see the errors should be resolved just like this. On the label, this global label, you can see the red line over here. And also if you go back to the MCU sheet, you will see that the op-amps voltages are still missing. There is something issue or wrong with this design. So in short, you have to be very careful while releasing the project. So first of all, let's create an output job file. Just click on the right click on the project and add the output job file as I did just now. So I have added this job 3 dot outlet. So out job. So you can add this in the same way. This is the nice looking view of this job file, output job file. So you can add the files which you want to release from here. There are basically the first step is to configure the files. What should be the files to be released? As I am adding in the assembly output file, you can add multiple files over here: assembly drawing, generate beacon place, test point report, and assembly drawing. I'm adding it as a PCB document. And you can see on the right side in the enabled document, you will see a circled dot. Basically, it will need to be configured as a PDF or a file. We will configure it as a PDF. So we will configure it after adding, let me add these drill files as well. So you can add the Gerber files over here, as I have added these Gerber files as well. So once you are done with it, so you have to configure these files as do you need to send as a PDF or as a files to the manufacturer. Just click on the dot and click on the right side output container, which output configuration you want for this specific file. So I want this Gerber file to be in the folder format. So I have click over here and just click on the circled option, and when you go to the above option, you can see if I click on the PDF, this circle appears. And just after clicking on the PDF option, just click on this circle, then you will have this arrow. It means it is configured as a PDF. So I am configuring the assembly drawing, drill drawing, and drill guides as a PDF, and the gerbers as a folder. So in this way, you can configure the files before releasing it. So after this step, you will have to save this and also save it to the workspace, save to the server, and click OK. And it is pushing it is pushing the changes to the server. So let's close this. And the next step is to go right click on the project, click on the project releaser button, just like this. And sorry, project packager, not project packager, you have to go to the project releaser option, and then you can assign the project files which you want to release are already over here or not. If these files are not here, then you have to add the files. So to see what are the files added over here, you can see on the right side of the each hiding that, you will see the details option. When you click over here, you will see all the details of this specific uh, heading. So include fabrication data. There is some job file over here. It is some other PDF which we just included when we were adding the files from the job output job 3. So I have added these files, so you can just move ahead and click on the bottom right, which you can see the label is prepare. It's a prepare button. Just click over here, then it will start preparing the files which is to be released. So it will take some time in preparing the files which should be uploaded to the workspace, and then you can directly send those files to the manufacturer. So as you can see on the tick marked, or means that these files are okay and good to go for the fabrication, or good to go to send to manufacturer. You have to also read this message box, that what are these message for, to release this project, because if there is some error you can see in the message box as well. So just like this, just click on the message, and in the details option you can see this is a net which is an issue over here. So just resolve this issue and come back, and then do the same procedure and release the project. So this issue will not come if you run the DRC and check all the errors and resolve those errors, and then release the project. So these are basically the step-by-step guide to design the project from very start, from requirements to the layout. So click on release, and this confirmation release box will open, and write the message over here, A.3 release, and then click OK. Then it will take some seconds, or maybe a minute, depending upon your internet or the file size. You can see here 14.74 MBs file it is. So it is uploading the file to the workspace under the releases option. So now it is done, and you can close this window as well. So let's close this, and again save it to the server. You don't want to save now, because the pushes are already done when we were in our release window. So you can go back to the workspace and see are the files over there or not. Let's go back to the workspace, refresh the page or reload the page, and it will be initializing new viewer, and you can go to the releases option and can see this new 1 minute ago release, A.3 release is over here. Just click on this show files button, and you can see all the file, source files, fabrication file, and the assembly files are over here. With this fabrication file, I have selected some other output job as well. That's why you are seeing these project files also. So click on this assembly drawing, and you will download this, and it will look like this. This is the assembly job file which you can send to your manufacturer for their ease under assembly. So these are the assembly files. The previous one was the fabrication file. You can also download it and can see all the components and where to place the component. And you can also add the pick and place, gerber, and bomb with it. So you can also see on the right side there is a send to manufacturer button. You can send this full release or the specific release to the manufacturer. You can also compare this release to the previous two releases, as I have created source A.2 and source A.1. So you can compare the BOM or schematics, PCB, gerber to the previous releases as well. So that's all for today's video. In this video, we have seen that how can we release the project and add the gerber files, pick and place files, all the necessary files which the manufacturer or the fabricator needs. So thanks for watching, and follow us for the upcoming videos.